Reducing belly fat involves a combination of dietary changes, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. Here are 10 effective tips with detailed guidelines to help you on your journey. Adopting a balanced diet is fundamental. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates. Opt for high-fiber foods like beans and oats to feel fuller longer. Include healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats balance your macronutrients and support metabolism. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and bowls. This helps manage food intake and prevents overeating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Pay attention to hunger cues. Avoid eating out of boredom or stress. Be mindful of what and why you are eating. Increase protein intake by including lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes in every meal. Protein helps build muscle, which boosts metabolism and aids in fat loss. It also promotes satiety. Aim for a variety of protein sources to ensure a range of amino acids and nutrients. This variety benefits overall health. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 cups or 2 liters of water daily. Hydration aids digestion and reduces bloating. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Herbal teas and infused waters are good alternatives. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise such as running, cycling, or swimming for at least 150 minutes per week. Cardio exercises burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective. Strength train regularly, focusing on all major muscle groups at least twice a week. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate. Exercises like squats and lunges engage multiple muscle groups. Get adequate sleep, aiming for 7-9 hours of quality rest each night. Poor sleep disrupts hunger-regulating hormones. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. A conducive sleep environment is crucial. Manage stress levels with techniques like mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, linked to belly fat accumulation. Incorporate stress management into your daily routine. Limit alcohol consumption as it adds empty calories and contributes to belly fat. Alcohol increases appetite and reduces inhibitions, leading to overeating. If you drink, do so in moderation. Monitor your progress by tracking dietary intake, exercise routines, and progress regularly. Consistency is key. Use tools like food diaries and fitness apps to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Implementing these tips consistently can help reduce belly fat and improve overall health. Results take time, so maintain a holistic approach to diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes for long-term success. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share our channel for further health benefits and guidelines. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay healthy.